Have you ever pictured your success like a movie, but never pressed play? You dream big, you see yourself at the top. Then action time comes and you back away. You say, tomorrow, I'll start tomorrow. And that sentence becomes a prison. Today I'll tell you a simple story, but it hits hard because it's about a choice that decides everything. Move forward or drift downward. In a quiet valley lived Jake, 26, healthy, with a massive dream. He told everyone, "I'll become the most respected farmer in the county." In his mind, his fields were already golden, and everyone admired him. But every morning while others worked, Jake stayed in bed. He loved talking about success, but not paying the price of effort. His ambition was beautiful, but it lived only in his words. His land stayed empty, like it was waiting for a promise that never came. One evening, his Uncle Henry, a respected old farmer, came to visit. He looked at the dry soil and calmly asked, "Jake, where are your crops?" Jake laughed. "Don't worry, I'll start tomorrow, you'll see." Henry sighed, because he had heard that tomorrow 1,000 times. Then he pulled out 2 small pouches and said, "I have something for you." 2 seeds, Henry explained. One can build your future, the other can destroy it. The first is the seed of determination. It grows if you care for it daily.
If this story speaks to you, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next ones.
The second is the seed of comfort. It grows on its own, but it smothers everything. Your field will become what you feed, and so will your life. Jake thought, easy, I'll choose the right seed. The next day, he felt tired, and the old reflex returned. I'll do it tomorrow. Days passed. His dream stayed big, but his actions stayed small. One day, out of boredom, he planted both seeds without really thinking. He promised he'd take care of them later. Then he forgot completely. Weeks went by and the field changed, but not the way he imagined. One morning, Jake returned and froze. His land was overrun. Comfort had grown like a weed, fast, brutal, unstoppable. And the seed of determination was just a tiny sprout nearly dead. Henry returned and whispered, "Jake, this is your mirror. Determination always starts small. It needs care every day. But comfort grows by itself, and when it wins, it devours your chances." This time, Jake truly understood. A dream without action is just an illusion. That night, he couldn't sleep. Every tomorrow felt like a locked door. He told himself, if I don't change now, I'll lose for good. Before sunrise, Jake got up and walked to his field. He pulled weeds with his bare hands. It hurt, but he kept going. His back burned, his fingers shook, and yet he didn't stop. Every day he watered the tiny sprout like his life depended on it. And slowly, it grew. First fragile, then strong, then impossible to ignore. Years passed, and Jake's field became beautiful, full of life and harvest. People spoke of him as the one who beat the hardest enemy, himself. This isn't just a farming story. It's your story too. Inside you are 2 seeds. One needs daily courage. The other destroys in silence.
Don't wait for the right moment. Start today, even small, even imperfect, because every wasted tomorrow is a piece of your dream fading away.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything.